In this video, I'll show you how to clear memory in ChatGPT if it's getting full or if you simply want to delete some stored information. First, start by opening ChatGPT. If you've been using the memory feature, the system may have stored information based on your previous conversations. Now, to clear this memory, look towards the top right of the ChatGPT interface, where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From that menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window with several options. Now, you want to click on the Personalization tab. This is where you can manage everything related to memory. In the Personalization section, you'll find an option for memory settings. You can either turn the memory on or off from here. But if you want to manage specific memories, click on the option labeled Manage Memories. Here, you'll see a list of all the memories that ChatGPT has stored. If you want to clear all the memory at once, there's an option to do that. Just click Clear Full Memory and confirm when asked. If you only want to delete specific memories, you can select individual ones and choose the Forget option. Once you've made your selection, the memory will be cleared and ChatGPT will no longer remember those details. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully cleared or managed your ChatGPT memory. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.